If you love a flawless, full coverage makeup look, this one's for you. Starting with my concealer, I'm going to cover my dark circles using a lighter shade to highlight the center of my face and then a darker shade to contour my face, and applying a little bit of my vanilla foundation in all the areas that I've missed. Now I'm going to use a buffing brush and buff away all the highlighted areas first and then the contour areas so that you don't overblend. I also applied some liquid blush, so I'm blending that in right there. Don't forget your nose and your jawline and your ears. How flawless does that look? Now I'm going to use the light medium powder to set in all the highlighted areas, and then I'm going to go ahead and use tan dark powder to set in all the contoured areas. Just going to contour my nose with a little bit of bronzer, apply some blush, highlight, top it off with my Hydra Enhancer, mascara, lippy, and that is it. That's the final look. What do you guys think?